Hey guys, it's Chaz. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be getting ready in my BMW. So I brought my makeup bags. This is from Chanel and this is just to me. And I'm just going to quickly go in with what I'm using and I'm just going to speed it all up. This is the YSL Blur Primer. It has golden flakes. I really like it. I'm not going to be going in with Lancome foundation today. I'm going to wet my beauty blender with the Mario Badescu Rose Setting Spray. And I just picked up this new foundation from Dior, shade 30, and this is my Lancome foundation, but today I don't have a lot of time, so I'm not going to be applying foundation. I'm just going to be going in with concealer. So I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier concealer for spots and the Chanel concealer for underneath my eyes. I'm now applying concealer to any pimples or redness that I have just to conceal it. When I don't have a lot of time, I just do little lines on my cheeks with concealer just to quickly bring everything together. Next I'm going to go in with my Chanel concealer underneath my eyes. So my friends just showed up, so I'm supposed to be hanging out with them, but I'm filming.
Oh my god, you were vlogging?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Hold on. I was gonna make a video on that building that I always take photos on, but I forgot my wallet, and you know how you have to pay when you leave? I was like, fuck, I'm not gonna be able to go. So I'm literally just, so I'm casually just vlogging on the side of the road. Wait. So I'm casually just vlogging on the side of the road with my Chanel concealer. Just like an everyday makeup look. You guys wanna get in the car?
No.
Please.
I'm so sorry.
Can I literally just finish in 2 seconds? No, let me just get my concealer. Wait. You guys can sit here and watch me. Oh my god, I have no battery anyway. Okay, so I applied concealer here, here, and here. And that just helps with like the whole illusion. And now I'm gonna blend in.
I ain't gonna lie, that girl had a big ass though. Everybody say it with me. That ass. That ass.
Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier setting powder. Okay, so lastly I'm gonna go in with my Hourglass highlighter in shade Ambient. And I'm gonna go in with my Chanel brush and lightly just dab in. My camera keeps dying, so I'm gonna finish off on my phone. Just apply highlighter. It's so pretty. A little on my nose. I'm literally sweating. I'm finishing up. Now with my finger, I just like to go like this and put a little in my inner corner. So it just looks nice. I'm now gonna go in with my hourglass lip treatment. It's gold. My friends are watching me and judging me, so it's kind of funny. Bye. Okay, awesome. And lastly, I'm gonna go in with my Caudalie the Elixir. This is awesome. It's a setting spray, but also a toner, and it smells amazing. So yeah, that's all I have today for our bag of tricks. My friend now is literally doing her makeup. Stop doing your makeup. Too bad I'm cuter. Bye. Bye. Okay, so yeah, that's what I have for today's everyday makeup look in my car. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and the sun is kind of being blocked by clouds, so I'm sorry if the lighting doesn't look good. My phone is literally covered in highlighter, so I can't really tell, but yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. I'll see you guys later. Bye. I'll see you guys later. Bye. You can't argue the way, soul of mine will never break. As long as I wake up today, you can't take my youth away. You can't take my youth away. But I won't let time take. No, I won't let it change me. You can't take my perfect. Oh my god. We rented a scooter, lol.
Wait, can you hold my bag while you take it away?
Okay. Life of an influencer carrying too much crap. Also, my outfit's really cute. I really like it. My shoes are Del Toro. My jeans are Free People, and my shirt is from WSC USA. Wait on me, wait on me, wait on me.
You should have gotten like sparkling water, like simple.